Hi, gang. I'm coming to you from sunny Arizona, and it presents its challenges when you're trying to do a watercolor because the sun's coming in and my watercolors are drying faster than I can move them around. So this girl is a bit of a challenge, and I have her on high speed. I painted the face with Naples yellow and titanium buff, ultramarine blue around the eyes, and rose for the lips. I used Daniel Smith paints. And the eyebrows and enhancing the eyes, I use Payne's Gray. And I have it on high speed because I wasn't really thrilled with this piece. And I drew all those curly cues on the hair. I was trying to do something weird and it didn't work out. And that gets erased eventually. So I'm just sharpening the eyes here, putting some definition in. Oh, back to the lips. So this is just a quickie. I will put something better up in the near future. Here I'm using some Moon Glow for shadow on the neck. That's also a Daniel Smith color. And there I'm adding more shadows. And what I do usually at the end of my pieces, I go over them either with a white gouache to soften down the harshness or acrylic whites. So I've softened this down a bit already. I haven't applied any white yet. So here I got a little bit too much rose on the cheeks, so I'm going to lift it with a paper towel. And there you go. And then I wasn't too sure what the heck to do with the hair, so I'll end up putting orange all over the place. Hey guys, stay tuned to the end. I will show you the finished product. I hit it with Posca pens at the end. I was a bit frustrated. Anyway, if you love what you're seeing, please subscribe and support my channel. I really appreciate your help. Have a fabulous day.